So let's talk about Cordova. Cordova is one of the oldest open source mobile development frameworks. So they create a small wrapper for each different platform. So they have they have a separate wrapper for Android, iOS, and they also support a few more platforms like Windows, OS X, and Electron as well. Then they have a CLI, which is a command line interface. So you use that CLI to kind of create like a skeletal structure of your project, and then you can use that skeletal structure to build upon your app. They have a wide library of existing plugins. So Cordova has been around for quite a long time, so there are plenty of plugins to do most of the common stuff. If you have some specific use case, you can create your own plugin. So even though you can build your full app in HTML, in JavaScript and CSS, knowledge of native Android and native iOS is helpful if while building hybrid mobile applications, because you can then update your native application, native plugins. A lot of these plugins are created for projects that the developer uses and then they're not maintained. So you can continue to maintain those plugins or fix any bugs. So even though you can build apps with just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it's helpful to know native programming as well. So let's look at the architecture for Cordova. With Cordova, you build a kind of web app. The web app, the scaffolding of Cordova will already create a folder structure for you with a folder for where you keep your HTML, CSS, JavaScript files. It'll also create something called a config.xml file, which is just a file that contains all the configuration for your app. Resources files are stuff like images, then sounds, videos, etc. that you want to store on the device that's going to be packaged within the app. That is going to be run on a web view. Cordova has two web views, and then you can also you can also use third-party web views. Cordova also has a set of applications that they themselves as an organization maintain. So they have common plugins for accelerometer, geolocation camera, all these, etc. And then if you also want, you can create your own custom plugin. Plugins and the web view interface with the native mobile operating system to access things like the sensors, input, graphics, and services.